Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to write a message to someone on the Messenger application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the chats icon down below, which is the first option, and then select a person from your chats and tap on the on this box down below, and then you are ready to type in your message. After that, tap on the send button in the right side of the screen. So now your message has been sent. You can send photos and videos by clicking on the plus icon and the microphone icon to send a voice message. You can also send stickers here or GIFs and sounds as well. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.